Hi! Before the video starts, I have to give a quick little disclaimer. This video is a review of a personal styling, send you a box company that I tried called Fashom. This video is not sponsored by them. However, they did offer to send me a box of these clothes and then give me a store credit that I could use towards keeping some of the items. On to the video. This next clip is me unboxing the clothes for the first time. Hi, my Fashom box arrived while I was gone and I have to open it now because I'm impatient and I cannot wait. So this is it. It came in this beautiful lavender box. On the sides it says #BetterAsIam because I absolutely love that part of their message about body confidence and loving your own skin. Oh, okay. So it has this little envelope on top and it says hello beautiful. This is super cool. Okay, and then here's just a note from my stylist, and it's just a little invoice of everything and this cute little postcard. And this is the bag that you use to return the stuff you don't want or if you need to exchange for a different size. Okay, this is a kimono. It's nice and sheer, kind of like a bathing suit cover-up vibes from this. Here is the tank top. Here is the nice tank top that we got. Okay, this is the long sleeve shirt. I'm really hoping that this is a success. And it has this really nice, stitched up back and it feels very soft. Okay, the jeans. These are what I am most excited about, but also the most nervous about because it's hard to know with jeans if they're gonna fit you ordering them just online. But I hope these work. Okay, and the last thing is another pair of pants, which I'm also very psyched about. Here they are. Oh, okay. I'm really loving this color right now. I think these are very cool. And they come with a little belt, cloth strap. In the next part of this video, it'll all be nicely lit. I will be trying everything on and talking about my thoughts. Okay, here we go. The first item that I'm styling are the jeans. These are pretty universal, so the first outfit I did with them is just this giant oversized t-shirt that I thrifted, and it has a fish on the back, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, this is pretty, a standard outfit that anyone can make, so I threw it in first. Similarly, you can add kind of a small, daintier tank top because, the bottoms are straight, but they're kind of cinched at the waist, so your silhouette's pretty cool. And then you can also throw on a sweater and a hat like I did to make it more seasonal, if you like. Also, the last outfit I put together with these jeans is just a simple sweater because you can do anything with these jeans and, they're great like that. Next piece is this kind of blouse oversized thing that you throw on that I styled with this simple black dress. It's very summery to me, like a bathing suit cover up, but I thought it would just be nice to style it with a simple dress because it's very loud. This is my favorite outfit of the whole collection. Both the sweater and the pants are from Fashom, and it's just so cool. It makes me feel like I'm like a philosophy student at Brown or something like that. I also decided that I would show you with this outfit a couple different ways you can style an oversized top like this. The first being just tucking it in all around. This is the most modest look, I guess that's how you could put it, of the three styles that I'm going to show. But yeah, this is just a simple thing. You can also tuck in just the front and kind of pull out the sides to make it more, loungy, loose, comfortable that way. Similar idea. The final way is my favorite. You can just tie it, twist it around like that and then tuck it up under to secure it even more. You can just kind of hold it under whatever bra you're wearing and it makes it all tucked up like that. You can make it cropped or not cropped depending on how you like it. So yeah. Finally, this is the professional look. This tank top that I'm wearing is from Fashom. I styled it with some slacks and my famous blazer, and a low ponytail. It's very professional chic. You could wear this to a job interview or if you're like a banker or something. Hello, welcome to the end of the video. Now I'm going to give kind of my final conclusion overarching thoughts about the company and my experience of getting a styled box from them. So first I'm going to talk about the brand Fashom. I absolutely love the brand and their mission specifically. Everything they stand for, I also really believe in, which is why I was so eager to work with them on this. They are very heavily focused on body positivity and loving your body exactly as it is, which I love so much, especially in a styling clothes company. That's really important to me, and I'm so glad that that's such a big priority for them. Also, they donate $1 off each box to this animal rescue organization in New York City, which is just so great. Like, that's amazing. I think animal rescue is really important also. And also, the biggest one for me probably is that all their clothes are made with sustainable vegan materials, which is so important to me with clothes. The website was very professional looking and well organized. I was very pleasantly surprised. It all looks very clean and professional and nice. I filled out an extra form, like a Google form that they sent me in my email to give my stylist some more information. They do now have an option for a one-on-one video call with your stylist where you can give them more details. I did not participate in this step, but I feel like that could be very helpful for some people. My stylist was also very receptive to the feedback that I gave her, and she even provided me with some more options after the initial clothes that I got to pick from. So overall, very positive experience with the styling process. The shipping was equally a great process. It was very quick. It took less than a week for my box to arrive. I showed this a bit before, but the box is so lovely. I really adore the packaging. I think that is so great and so nice. And finally, I'm going to be talking about my review of the clothes, which you already saw me style in the last part. In terms of basics, like really nice basic pieces that are going to last you a long time, I think that that is an excellent thing that they do. Looking at it in terms of like high quality basics that are going to last me years, I think this is an amazing service. All the pieces I got, you could tell, were really high quality, and they matched the photos exactly. There wasn't anything that didn't look like what was advertised to me. So I'm very happy with that. Thank you so much to Fashom for sending me these clothes. It was so cool to get that email of them reaching out and wanting to send me some things to review in a video. If you are interested in trying Fashom, you get your first styling for free. That does not mean that the clothes are free. Usually you have to pay a $15 styling fee for your stylist to do all their amazing work and give you your selections, but for your first box, that is absolutely free. If you keep 3 items, you get 25% off each one, and if you keep all 5, you get 30% off, which is awesome. It's also not a subscription, if I didn't already say that. You do not get this every month or whatever. You only get a box when you choose to get one, so you don't have to worry about like canceling it every month. If you're interested in getting a box from Fashom, I actually have a link, and if you use my link and get a box, you will get a $10 credit, which is pretty cool. Okay, bye guys, you're the best. I will see you next time.